Welcome to the AccuWeb hosting video tutorial. Today, we will learn how to block a website using PowerShell on a Windows server. PowerShell has a built-in net security module that helps you manage the Windows firewall. With the new net firewall rule command, you can block an IP address or a website by adding a new firewall rule to your computer. This lets you create new firewall rules for incoming or outgoing connections on your computer. Let's continue the video. First, we need to find the IP address of the website. To do this, we need to log in to the Windows server as the administrator. Go to the taskbar and click on the search icon. In the search box, type PowerShell. Select the PowerShell ISE, right-click, and select Run as Administrator. To find the IP addresses of the website, run the following command in the Windows PowerShell ISE window. Once we get the result, we need to write down the IP addresses. Now, we will use this command to block the website. Let's divide the command in different parts so you will get a better idea on it. Display name. Replace blockAccuWebTraining.com with a name that helps you easily remember the rule's purpose. Next is remote address. This is the IP or range of IPs that will be blocked. Any website or service linked to these IPs will not be accessible. If you need to block a local network IP, replace remote address with local address. After running the command, you should see a message like, "The rule was parsed successfully from the store. 65,536. Now, open Windows Firewall to confirm that the rule is listed. Go to the taskbar and click on the search icon. In the search box, type Firewall. Select the Windows Defender Firewall with the Advanced Security option and click on it to open it. In the Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security window, click on the Outbound Rules. In the Outbound Rules, you can see the rules which you have added. Right-click on the rule and select the Properties option. In the IP Address Properties window, click on the Scope tab. Then, go to the Remote IP Address section and verify the IP address you added. Once it's confirmed, you can add more rules using the same method. That's all. Let's quickly sum up the context of this video. We saw how to block a website using PowerShell in a Windows server. If you like our technical videos, please press the subscriber button and bell icon to receive instant notification of our new videos. Each like is important to us, so do not forget to thumb up. To download a PDF file of this video, please subscribe to our Telegram channel, AccuWeb Hosting, where you will have the access of PDF files of all our videos. Thank you for watching.